And I have 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm using the 80-20. You choose which kind you want. But for each pound, I'm putting in 1 package of instant onion soup mix. I'm going to mix that up together and shape it into patties. I'm going to probably make 5 patties per pound, but if you want quarter-pound burgers, make 4 per pound. You adjust what you want to do there. So once your meat is mixed together, then you want to form it into patties. And to do that, so you can see I've just kind of mashed in the onion soup until it's blended well. So to make the patties, you want to have about a palm size amount of meat, and that's going to be 1/5 to 1/4 of a pound. So you can add more if you need to, but just bring out the handfuls, and then we're going to shape them into patties. So now that I've distributed the meat to the size balls that I want, I'm just going to take one, and I'm using parchment paper. You could use wax paper, or wouldn't recommend foil, but you could use foil. It just sticks to the meat more. And then you're just going to pat it out to shape it into the shape of the burger that you want. Go a little bit thinner that you want, because it's going to draw up some, and depending on the amount of fat, it's going to draw up more. This is 80-20, so it's going to draw up some while it's cooking.